Well, I'm down here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Nice little ride, good curvy roads, beautiful little town, really small little town. Got little like ice cream shops, coffee shops, little things to walk around, sit outside. RC Cola Moon Pie Festival, third Saturday of June. It's a cute little town. Little railroad tracks there. I'll have to walk all this and check it all out and see what all we got here. Little cafe over there. So up at the other corner, there's an ice cream shop up there. That orange sign. It's kind of cool. It's about I don't know, 30 minutes south of Murfreesboro. Maybe like an hour south of Nashville. Pretty small. Way out in the boonies, but really nice to take a motorcycle ride. See what all they got going on down here. There's somebody else got the same idea I got. Beautiful day for a ride. What else they got up here? I might stop in the cafe, grab me a sandwich or something. All kinds of little stuff. I'll go up here and turn around and I'll walk down the sidewalk. Actually see what the shops have in them. Some of the storefronts you can't see what they are until you actually get up in there. But cool old gas pumps over there. Yep. I don't know what that is over there. Farm girl goodies, I guess. Some antiques up there. What else we got out here? Nutrition stuff. Still nice and quiet, but it being Sunday, a lot of these places are probably closed. So that one is. What about sitting out, relaxing, enjoying the sun? Bell Buckle Cafes look like it's closed. Doodlebug, whatever that is, it's open. Antique shop. Embroidery and gifts. Yeah. I have to bring the wife down here and walk around. Stop in the shops, grab something to eat. Be a nice little trip. Can't believe it's the first time I've been down here. Lived here for 3 years now. Only half hour away. Guess too busy working all the time, not enjoying life. But beautiful little town. Nice and quiet. Okay, let me end the video. I'm gonna go to another little small town, see what it's got in store. Definitely loving the bike though. Trade my Pan America in on that. Pan America's a nice bike, but hard to beat that Heritage Softail, especially the 120th anniversary edition. They didn't make too many of them. I think mine is 702. So there we go.